Today we will be looking at a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date we have tested a total of 382 different strategies, with 119 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator, and so far since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 280 of the other strategies that we've put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,045 indicators, with 438 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says, the secret scalping strategy that works even for beginners. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of the strategy and see how well it works. Even if you're a beginner, not really a beginner, but we'll see. And so let's go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is the Scalping God indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And this one will keep on the default settings. We don't need to change anything on this one. And the next indicator we will add to the screen, it's going to be the Dongchen Trend Ribbon indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And this one we will jump into the settings, and under the inputs, you're going to change the Dongchen channel period to 100 and then click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade, so we are looking for the red background coloration from the Scalping God indicator. We're then looking for a red dot to appear like this right here. And then we're looking for the Dongchen Trend Ribbon to also be red. And so once all those line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a short. And we'll put our trade right here, and we'll put our stop just right above this pivot right here, and we'll target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, put it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so it takes just a little bit, but we eventually stair step our way down, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade setup, what we were looking for is we were looking for the green background from the Scalping God indicator. We're then looking for the Scalping God indicator to give us a green dot. You can see that it appears right here. And then what we are looking for is the trend ribbon to also be green. And so once all those line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. Put our trade right there. We'll put our stop just right below this pivot right here. And then we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Should be good. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see a really nice push to the upside. Gets us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 28 winning trades and 22 losing trades. So I'm going to put it at a 56% win rate. And with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $8,800 for an overall gain of $8,000. And so all around a pretty decent strategy. It did very well, gave a decent win rate and a decent profit return. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 49 trades altogether. We had 40 winning trades and 9 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 80% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $24,000. On the losing side, you'd have lost $10,800 for an overall gain of $13,200. And so definitely better results. Now, if you would have applied the position management strategy that would teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90%. And so the total gain would have been closer to the $24,000. And so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in backtesting and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. We are still at the 28th winning trade in a row, maintaining that 100% win rate. That's using the scalping strategy that I just mentioned a moment ago, as well as the position management strategy. And that strategy in backtesting was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row before it took a losing trade. And so you can, again, look at that video that I just mentioned a moment ago. Talks about that backtesting. And so I'll put a screenshot up of the trade on screen now, and that is almost 2 months of trading at this point, and a gain of on the account of a little over 35% at this point. So really great combination. If you're looking to become a profitable trader, highly recommend you check that out. All right, that's it for this strategy here. That's gonna put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.